Hi front-end techies, welcome to Git tutorials from UI UX Talks front-end techies. We are going to see about basic Git commands. We are going to see about the basic top Git commands. What is Git? So Git is a distributed version control system that tracks versions of files. So it is often used to control the source code by programmers who are developing software collaboratively. So each file, many people will work at a time. So all these versions of the files, changes of the files are tracked and will be merged to a single file and will be distributed over the system. So what is the need for Git? The need for Git depends upon the advantages of Git, so which is branching capabilities. So unlike the centralized version control system like SVN, Git branches are cheap and easy to merge. So we can merge each and every branch to the master so that each branch will contain its own changes. The master will contain all the changes. If any issues occurs, we can cut off the branches, or if we want to do any future changes, we can do in a branch and we can merge to that master branch. So the flow and the focus will not be get disturbed. That is some basic advantage of this one. Clone command, it clones a repository to the newly created directory with the branch which we provided. The command for that is git clone the repository name -b and the branch name, or else we can directly clone like git clone and the clone repository name which we want. And we have few options here: -l, -s, -no hot links, -q, -n, -bear, -mirror, -o name, -b for the branch name, -u for upload pack, and -reference for the repository references. So many options are associated with it. Push command, whenever we have done our work, so we will go for git add command and git commit command. So once a commit is made, then the next command that is needed for us is the push command. So this will push our code to the branch or release whichever we have mentioned, and then this will be merged into the master branch. Pull command, so the pull command is mainly used before when we are going to make a push, we need this pull. So this pull will fetch the data, all the files from the repositories, and will merge with our local branch. After that we will make the pull so that the code will be getting integrated without any clashes. If any issues is there, that will be shown with four options. So we can accept the current change, or we can accept the incoming change, or we can accept both, or we can delete both. Like that, four options are given for this one. And we can also use the reverse options for pull also. Add command, so add command is used mainly for adding all the files which are changed to the staging area. So once it is ready in the staging area, then we can make the commit, and we can activate the push command to push the code to the branch. So before that, we can see all the files we are changed using a status command. After that, what are the files we want to actually make a commit, we can use the git command, git add command, and we can add those files into the staging area. Commit command. So commit command is used mainly for making the changed files which are added in the staging area to the commit stage. After the commit stage, we will go for the push stage and push these files, push this particular commit along with the files and the changes to the main branch of the repository. Whenever we are working on a git bash, so we need to configure our email and name so that it will be shown up those changes were made by us and the commits made by us. For that, we can use the git config user.email and our mail name so that our mail will be getting configured. After that, we can configure our username, git config user.name, our name, so that our name and our email will be getting configured for the git bash, so that whenever we made a push, our name will be coming under the particular push. Git will not work independently, so it will have a connection with GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, or Azure repos, so that this will be a repository container. It will store many repositories, and we can have connection with a particular repository, and we have many branches. All these repositories will be managed by these four top repository containers, repository creators actually: GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, and Azure repos. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe to UIX Talks Front End Tech Tips.